You can see there are unlimited backgrounds in HD quality, in 4K quality, and these all backgrounds are copyright free. You can download these all backgrounds. You can download these all PNG photos in absolutely free. You can use it to change the background. Personally, the photos I have used in my YouTube channel, that all photos are downloaded from these websites. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you top 3 websites from where you can download this all the backgrounds. And don't miss the end, because at the end of the video I have given some bonus websites. So without wasting any time, watch the video till the end. Let's start. Open Google, Chrome or any browser you have and just click on search bar. Now just type the first website in our list is pixels.com. Click on first search result. Click on search bar. And from here you can type any background you want. For example, I want car background. Just click on search. Here you can see there are 1000+ backgrounds which you can use for your photo editing. You can see smoke PNG, fire PNG, blurry background. There are 1000+ backgrounds which you can use for your photo editing. For example, if I want to download this picture, just click on this picture and simply click on free download. So the photo will save in HD quality. You can see, click on open. You can see now you can download photos in HD quality and you can use it for your photo editing. Now second website, click on search bar and just type. From this website I have downloaded most of images for my tutorials. And the second website in our list is unflash.com. Click on first search result, click on search, and from here you can download any pictures you want. For example, I want neon light background. Just type it and search it. You can see there are so many cool backgrounds. You can use any picture you want, you like, and if you want to download any picture, just select any one photo. For example, if you want to download any picture, click on that photo. Now just click on download free and downloading will start. It's that easy to download any picture in 4K quality. Just click on open. You can see the background looks so cool. Now third website, click on search bar and just type. The third website in our list is pixabay.com. Click on first search result. Click on search bar and you can type any background you want. For example, I type graffiti background and just click on search. You can see there are unlimited graffiti photos you can download. And to download any graffiti photo, just click on that background, just click on download, and from here you can choose any quality you want and just click on download, and the downloading will start. And just click on open. You can see